上大学后怕读不好，
我不懂要读什么。
以后的工作我真的会喜欢吗？
我该听谁的意见？我怕出路不广，不赚钱。
Coursemap 每年协助大约1000位学生，帮助学生找到对的科系、对的大学，靠的是我们这10年来不断加强的升学工具，让学生可以很深入的了解自己、了解科系，还有以后的职业。其实很多学生担心选错科，并不是因为他们不了解自己，而是还不清楚知道自己的强项能在哪个领域发挥。所以透过我们 interest test， 学生可以很清楚知道自己的兴趣跟哪个科系比较吻合，自己的强项能在哪个职业更好发挥。
我们至少有50多种的 course video， 还有大学教学里的 course exercises。通过我们的 course video， 学生可以找到自己内心真正想要读的课程。而当学生做 course exercises 的时候，他们就会对自己喜欢的课程更了解多一些。或许你还是有一些顾虑，担心说大学毕业过后出路会不会好？其实你会怕，是因为你还不懂，然后你手上的那些资料呢，又没有很让你有信心的去做决定。我们这里准备了各行各业的影片，目的呢，就是让你对以后的工作有个基本的画面。这些工具都是让你要在足够的资讯之下做决定。
其实你读大学的3-4年，对你接下来30-40年的影响是很大的。我们不希望你读到一半会后悔，所以在没有做这么重大的决定之前，上一上来 Coursemap， 彻彻底底的了解自己，了解科系，还有以后的职业。我们相信，只要你来 Coursemap， 你就能像我们学生那样找到了方向，而且很清楚自己的目标，那样你在大学或者工作上的生活都会过得比较开心、充实。
这是我们的联络方式，你可以在我们的 FB 安排 Zoom meeting， 认真规划自己的未来。
Mr. Lee, okay already?
We start 了啊。Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to the class
Now today, I think because this one is not favorite, but you all forgot already. When teacher giving you papers, if you discuss question by question, from there you can see your mistakes. Yeah, there are certain mistakes, even we as teachers also sometimes we make. Y'all wouldn't know. You see, I took this paper and I check out, we got two very, very hard to find the mistakes. Even teachers also cannot see the mistakes. I will tell you all where are the mistakes are. Okay, sorry, just now for sending you the wrong papers. Actually, supposed to be paper 1 today discussed. Then send a question of paper 2. Why I give you the answers to work out? Because it's for your convenience. If you don't know, then you refer. And then also when I'm teaching you now, you can refer to the answers, it's easier. Because when I write, the writing will be very nice today. So as we go on, we see the marks, but some of the questions I think is a bit easier to score higher mark. Because this is the first year they are putting the marks. But I think some marks are quite simple, see. But some questions are not easy, not easy, I'm telling you. Okay, so let's start now. As you know, you are very familiar with the paper already. You know or not? The first question. This paper has got first section A, 64 marks. 64 marks, you answer 10 questions. 10 questions. 11, 12 questions, sorry. 64 is 12 questions. Okay. Then after that, section B, you answer 2 questions, 8 marks each. Okay, 8 marks each. So 16 plus 64, 80 marks. Now, you have to score this paper 1. If you cannot score paper 1, you cannot score. Oh, sorry, very noisy. I think I have to. Is it very noisy? Good,
Mr. Lee, I can't hear your voice.
Okay, can you hear me or not? Okay, sorry. Not familiar. Okay, sorry. Okay, now okay, can hear me. Now you see the question is 5 marks is considered normal. 4 marks is easy. 6 marks is slightly harder. So look at the marks first. Look at the marks. And then by right, the 4 marks question is the easiest, the 6 marks harder. But then sometimes, I don't know. I may think that the 6 marks also quite easy. Okay, we start off. Today target is 80 marks. Okay, question number 1. looking at it, this is under the hukum linear or linear law. So the first question, now this question is a bit, the number is a bit weird. The number is a bit weird. Never mind. You see the number they put, you see. So at first they put like that. Actually, the number is a bit too big. Too big. Now this number, I don't like it. Too big. 24. It's too big. Okay, what you learn from this is, now whenever they give you coordinates, means they give you x and y. They give you x and y. So the basic is, when you see this, please don't go and think of what gradient or whatever. Substitute straight into the question, because they give you x, you give you x, you find y. They give you y, you find x. Okay, that's all. Consider easy. If you ask me, I will say it's easy. Okay. So, but the most important thing you must, and then you look at what? Remember the hukum linear, the basic thing I taught all my students. First of all, you look at this. And this is normal x. So this is 1 over x. This is 1 over y. This is 1 over x. Okay? So this normal x is 1 over x, 1 over y. This is a set concept. So a lot of people think it's x, y, then it's wrong. Because just now I didn't put the paxi, I didn't put the axis. Well, once I put axis, you have to change. This 1 over x, this 1 over y. It's no more x and y. Okay. So first part of the question, they are testing you whether you know how to change the non-linear into linear. So non-linear is y is equals to 2x over x minus 1. You don't look at my solution and my answer first. You just try to do, then you check. If you look at the solution, you say very easy. But in the real exam, you have to think, because look at the answer, you just follow what I teach today. So you look at this one, 1 over y. So why don't you put like that? Y over 1. And then you terbalik the floor, become 1 over y. Become 1 over y. Okay. Let's see. Okay, terbalik. Now, when you terbalik, remember the bottom has to be one term. Cannot be x minus 1, x plus 2. So you split them. Once you split them, you will see 1 over x already. So this cancel, half. This one cannot cancel. So 1 over y, you take this one as negative half first, then 1 over x. Can you see or not? And then plus half. Okay, this one they give 2 marks. So first of all, you change the non-linear into linear. So this is y equals to mx plus c. But in this question, I don't know. They don't test you after finding already. I don't know why. Just like they said, when they set question, I see they don't test you C. Actually, they should test you C. They should test you a C here. What is this? And then actually they should test you M. But in this question, no. Langsong no. So I would say that this blur has been taken out certain part of question. So they didn't test you these two. So the purpose is just to form only, and then they want you to. But when they give you this, you substitute straight. As I told you already, you substitute straight, and then you say at the first one, 2m. So what is the 1 over y? 1 over y is m. Equals to negative half. What is 1 over x? 1 over x is 2. Then plus half. Then cancel, you got negative half. That's answer. Negative half a lot. One, sorry, negative 1. I got negative half. Negative 1. Okay, this is negative 1. Negative half. Hey, yeah, negative half lah. There's a mistake there. Come on, negative half. How come I'm going to put negative 1? Do a mistake. You see? First question, you already make mistake. So careless. I didn't even check his answer. Sorry. Calculation mistake, please. There you are. Can you all change to negative half? This is negative 1. Forgot. Negative 1 plus half. You see, do shortcut lah. Negative half. Yeah, negative half. The first answer. So the writing there, negative 1 plus half. So it is half. Okay or not? Negative half. So the answer is negative half. Please change the answer. There you see. So careless, First question, you already make mistake. Never mind. Everybody make, but you cannot make, You make, you koyak, You got no chance to score, Okay, the second one. At n 24. So same thing, This is 24 equals to negative half, then n, and then plus half. Now, I don't like the half there, so everything times 2. 48 equals to negative n plus 1. Okay, so negative n equals to 47, or n equals to negative 47. It's not a good answer, because even though the graph is not at the proper scale, this is 2, this one is already 24, negative 47. He purposely put a number. Never mind. Never mind. The number is not important. It's just a number of calculation. Are you okay now? Ken? So you see or not? You see? So what is important is, number 1, you know how to change into non-linear to linear. Number 2, whenever you see an x given, you find y. You substitute into the equation. You see a y given, you find x. That's it. Okay or not? The basic. So those in Form 4, well, revision. Those in Form 5, also revision. Okay, go on. Next, number 2. All together, we have 15 questions. The harder one is at the back. The harder one is at the back. Your Selangor paper is super hard. I don't know. That's what I say. Now, this is an open paper because the teachers may go and choose all the difficult one and put it to y'all. They will combine the 2 parts. Last time, 3 marks, 3 marks. But some 3 marks, 4 marks, they squeeze into 3 marks, 3 marks. Some teachers are very nice. They give you easy question. So this one, depending on your luck. But in SPM, as you say, they should give you according to what they say. Oh yeah, you can send it to me, Heng. No problem. Ken, you can send it to me. Ken? I think so, because okay, look at number 2. Look at number 2. Number 2, can you see the question? So you look at my answer, look at my answer, because it's very difficult to write here. Now, first part, you say fx equal to 2x minus k, and gx equal to 1 minus hx. Do you have my answer there before that? Okay, this one is normal. Now, SPM question always asks you a number. They always give you a number of g, then 5 lah. They like to put 5 lah, 3 lah, or 7. They like to have this type of number. So those prime number. So you substitute in. Now, g5 equal to negative 14. Therefore, you substitute in h equal to 3. Are you okay? Are you okay now?
The old one.
All right, Ken, What is this? All right, number 2. Now B, look at B. Now B, sorry, haven't finished the K. So GFX equals to 10 minus, so GFX, this one is composite. This one, honestly speaking, 2 marks is a bit low. It's a bit low. So this one, 1 mark plus 2 marks. So sometimes they give 3 marks. But now they give 2 marks, fair enough, you just take. So, okay. Now what you got to learn today is this, revision. Revision. F inverse. Okay, F inverse. So that's B, sorry, B. I haven't gone to B yet. B is a Gubahan. So, no, A, still A. Now, this is a Gubahan composite. Now, when you see composite, what you got to do is you just copy only 6x, copy the question first, and then what you have, you substitute. So there's a G, fx. Fx, you substitute 2x minus k minus 6x. And then you must say, what is gx? What is gx? Gx is 1 minus, now h is 3. H is 3, 3. You already found the part 1. That's why your part 1 cannot make mistake, you make mistake, part 2 all gone. Equals to 10 minus 6x. And then from there, you can work it out and get your k equals to 3. Now this one, 2 marks is a bit, I think quite okay, 2 marks. You substitute, Gubahan. Are you okay now? Okay? A bit worried very beginning, we got 2 unknown. But then here you got minus 6x here, you got minus 6x, so you can cancel the x. This is a good question. Okay, the B, look at B, look at B. Look at B. B, if you see F inverse, it's just like F times 1 over F. Inverse means like -1 means like that. Cancel off, no more lah. So whatever is left over here, M minus 2, the answer is M minus 2 lah. So this and this can cancel off already. Okay, lah. Equals to 3 over M. So equals to 3 over M. Then from there you can do. This one will give you 3 marks. This is considered easy lah. So you notice sometimes they give more. This one should be 3 marks. Because to form the quadratic equation, you need 1 mark and the 2 answers, each one 1 mark. Okay, done. Done. Number 3. Number 3, Number 3. Number 3, 6 marks. It looks like more difficult. Number 3. Look at number 3. Number 3. Now, given that the roots of this quadratic equation are in the ratio of 2:3. Whenever you see ratio, don't worry about it. First step, copy the question. Whenever you see roots, the word roots means you got A, B, C there lah. Okay. Plus K plus 1. So first step, A, B, C, A, B, C. AX squared plus BX plus C. When you talk about roots, means you need to find AX squared, so be A equals to K, you're right. No need to think about it. B equals to -5. C equals to K plus 1. Okay. And they say the roots is 2:3. So you say let the roots, okay, is 2 beta. I don't like alpha lah. Alpha sometimes look like 2. 3 beta. Is it? 2:3. Okay, 2:3. So whenever talk about roots, you always remember A, B, C already. You say sum of roots. Sum of root is 2 beta plus 3 beta equals to minus B over A. Okay, not minus B over A. So it is equals to minus, watch out the negative, over K. So 5 beta equals to 5 over K. Okay, now, therefore you must find what is beta. Remember, what your purpose is to find K. Therefore, your beta is just you have to get it as an unknown so that you can cancel off. So you divide by 5, divide by 5. So this is the first step. You're going to have whatever is the subject will be eliminated. Akan digantikan. So this is the first one. All right. And then the next one, product of roots. Product of roots equals to 2 beta times 3 beta equals to C over A. So it's 6 beta squared. C is K plus 1 over K. So here, see, as I told you already, the beta here, you substitute this. So 6 beta squared equals to k plus 1 over k. Now this type of question is very interesting. So you see, I purposely make it into a cube there because there is a chance that you'll make it a cube. So the 6 over k squared equals to k plus 1 over k. We go up 6k equal to k cubed plus k squared. Then you have a k cube. I'm doing this way. You know, I know you can cancel, you people clever, but normally we shouldn't. But it is a quadratic after you see, then you say, then you say divide by k, you just simplify them, factorize them. Normally I'll do like that, factorize them, take out k squared plus k plus 6 equals 0. But k cannot be 0. So k, so that's why I say divide first. K minus 2, k, that's a minus 6k. Sorry, minus 6k. Okay. So k plus 3. Then you only take the answer of k equal to 2, k equal to minus 3, because k cannot be 0. Why cannot be 0? That's why I say whenever you have quadratic, see this is a quadratic. If your k is a 0, that means there's no more quadratic. 0 times k squared is 0. Okay, now? You got it? So k can be positive, can be negative, but cannot be 0. So you write this, examiner will like you. Okay, next question. So far, okay, following, number 4. Number 4 is the same. This person like algebra more. He's very famous writer. Okay, next, because I have the answer with you, that's why I could go fast. Okay, the next one. Next one, the same chirita. The straight line, this one, constant, underline does not intersect. Does not intersect means the first step, you form the two equations into quadratic equation. So I don't have to carry on. We form it into 3x squared minus dx plus 3. First step, you form in the quadratic equation. Okay. Now again, but in this case, they say it does not. So again, you put a equals to 3. As long as root, normally you put this. B equal to minus d, c equal to 3. Then say does not intersect means when b squared minus 4ac less than 0. Okay. So I think you can do that. But one thing I want to warn you here, there's a chance you can make a mistake. T squared minus 36 less than 0. Whenever you have these two terms only, you cannot do this. You do this, you're going to die like that. Okay, so give me the answer like that. So you say t square root of t squared is t less than 6. And then you say t less than negative 6. Confirm one right, one wrong. Wrong, confirm. This one wrong. So whenever you have this, in order not to have mistakes, you never bring it out to the right hand side. What you got to do is you bring it, you say t squared minus 6 squared less than 0. So a squared minus b squared is a minus b, a plus b less than 0. Never bring it over. Never bring it over. Then you make mistake here. Are you okay? Then here very easy. You sketch positive curve. Positive. So it's negative 6 and 6. Less than means below. So t less than 6, more than negative 6. Last time got one people asking me why is here, why not here, why not here. I think you don't understand the question because this one is supposed to be between this line, so it should be here. Between this line, this one, if it's more than, and then it should be here already. It should be here. And here, two ranges. This question you have to know. You don't ask me a question why not here. There's nothing here because the curve bound by this line. So it's either here or here. There's no such thing here. So if you ask a question, means you totally don't understand the question. Sometimes you just have to understand the question. Okay, done. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is quite interesting. It's for the sake of doing it. Read the question number 5. Yes, number 5. Look at number 5. Yes. Yes, number 5. Are you okay? Now, first type of question you read. Now, quadrant. Underline the word rectangle. Underline the word quadrant. Now, area of rectangle. So straight away, area of rectangle is this. They give you x times y. So you put x times y equals to 80. Got pi, you know. Normally people don't give you pi. Pi is for those with a circle, arc. So this person, for the sake of doing this question, you put pi. You put pi for the sake of doing this, just to accommodate, make his girlfriend happy. The girlfriend is this. So this is your R. What is your R? It's 90 degrees. R is pi, isn't it? Not x and y. So the radius is 1. Okay? Okay. And the length of MN is this. N. That means x. Length of MN is 6 pi cm more than the arc. Is equals to 6 pi plus arc of Ln. Ln. Ln here. Ln. So you must find what is arc of Ln first. That's why I did the arc of Ln. You know this Lm, arc of Ln, can you see or not? This is a circle, and it is this, and this L, this N. Is it 1/4, 90 degrees? Quadrant, they already say quadrant. So x equals to 6 pi, 6 pi. 6 pi more than 6 pi plus, what's the arc? 1/4 of circumference? 2 pi r. What's r? R is 1. So therefore, you have 6 pi plus half pi y. 6 pi plus half pi y. Okay, now? That's your x. Okay, and then your xy, this is number 2. Just now I didn't do never mind. Number 1 is xy. X times y is 80 pi, the area. Then you substitute in, substitute the x here, this whole thing. So you work out, you work out. So you work out, you have you work out. So substitute, I don't want to work, here you see yourself, work out until y squared plus 12y minus 60, 108.60. And definitely you can factorize. If you cannot factorize, means something wrong with your calculation here. Okay, not? And then you have y. Again, experience coming telling you y plus 20. So you got y equals to 8, isn't it? Now, please don't write y equals to negative 20 and then not accepted. You just put like that, y more than 0. Your labor cannot be less than 0 negative. You understand? So you don't have to work. You don't have to say y equal to negative 20, not accepted because negative. No need to waste time. Just write y more than 0. All right? And then what is your x? You substitute. Your x is 6 pi plus half pi times 8. 4 pi. So it's 10 pi. Okay? So it's quite simple so far. Okay, go on, go on. Next, number 6. Number 6, altogether 15 questions. The hard one is at the back. Number 6, you look at this 6 marks, look at this 6 marks, but you have to be patient. Now, this type of question for this number of pages is not enough. You have to divide into two sides, at least 2 sides, 2 to 3 parts. You don't write one, not enough. You look at my working here. So remember, even they give it to you, not enough, you're very long. You look at my working there. So it'll be, this is index plus log. So first part, it is 3 power 2x equals to 9 over 27 power 2y. Now looking at it, the base number is 3, 3, 3. So this is 3 squared. And this is 3 cubed power 2y. So this one equals to 3, 2 minus 6y. Are you okay? Divide means minus. And now you compare already. You say 2x equals to 2 minus 6y. Therefore, x equals to 1 minus 3y. Leave it there. You'll be someone serentak. Okay? Can this is index. They're testing you. This is a good question, testing you 2 things at the same time. Okay, the second one is also not difficult because there's no changing of base. 2, a number means happy already. This is a long one. 2x minus 3y equals to log. If you don't want to move it over to the right hand side, also can. Leave it to you. Some people say, sir, I don't want to leave it on the left hand side. Also can. I leave it also can. You don't want also can. Finally, you still have to leave it. Later on, you see. Now, some people say, my way is a bit longer. I bring it over here. But if you don't bring, never mind. You say, now I try another way. Okay. Same base. Log plus log means number times number. If you don't want to bring also can. Maybe faster. Equals to, you just see. It may not be faster. Okay, you still have to need to find another one. Okay, let's see. What are you going to do now? Oh, you see base and base same. So this one, same with this one, isn't it? So 2 times 2 times 2 is 4x minus 6y equals to x plus 5. So bring over 3x equals to, very interesting, 5 plus, sorry, you just bring the y first. Y first. So 6y plus 5. But you can only find this only. What are you going to do? Now some people say, sir, can I do like that? Can. What are you going to do? No point, isn't it? Too unknown. So remember, the basic is still the same. Bring all to one side, then leave your number at the right hand side. The number is 0. So you bring over the side first, minus first, then you do together. So you see, I let you know, I let you see, sir, you see, I can compare, you compare, but you still got 2 unknown. You still have to find another equation. So there's a problem, another equation. So don't try all the ways. Your basic is not strong, you langgar, then you waste time, and lose confidence. So log 2, you plus log. Remember the basic is bring every log into one side minus log 4x plus 5. Okay, now same log 4 here. Log plus log, number times number. Then minus log means over the number. And equals to 0. Now you anti-log, you put a 4, go there, you push up. At the same time, you open up 4x minus 6y equals to over first. I don't know. 4 power 0, which is 1. Right? Then only you bring up. So you get one answer there. 3x minus equals to 6. Same. I just found one answer. Sorry. This sound, that one is faster. Never mind. It's the same. Okay, you got this. This is number 2. Now you substitute the number 1 into number 2 here. So it's 3, 1 minus 3y equals to 6y plus 5. Sorry, just now is correct also. Just now the method correct. I forgot to see there's a 1 here. Okay, now just now you get that here also the same. Sorry. Just now the method is the same. Either way either way. Okay, now you sum it up yourself lah. So y equals to minus 2 over 15, x equals to 7 over 5. Our friend put some weird number lah. There's no quality control on the number. Are you okay? This log index. Can? Okay, number 7. Look at number 7 now. 7. Richie, no problem lah. Richie, you are clever lah. Actually, honestly speaking, these are the easy one. You have to know and you have to score. Okay, go on the next one. Go on. Next. Number 7. Number 7, I teach you a skill. Now, R is the moving point from point A. So remember, when you copy nicely. You put your A first. From point A. And then the R is the moving point. R is always at the middle. Always right at the middle. And then C, remember, right at the middle, from here and from here. For example, you are the center lah. You are how far away from the boyfriend A and how far away from boyfriend B. Boyfriend A is always 2 times the distance of boyfriend C. Oh, that means C is closer lah. It's always twice the distance. Then very easy lah. That means your RA, the distance is always 2 times of RC. This one is always 2 times further from here. Okay, nah? Then the rest you do yourself lah. Can I don't have to explain. This is a hot question. This one cannot be 4 marks. This one usually 3 marks. But sometimes they give you extra marks. That's why I say, if you take the old question, they all just take and put sometime. This is definitely not 4 marks. But sometimes they give 4 marks. Cannot do anything. If I were to give, I give 3 marks. All right. Can I not? But what I want to warn you is, when you have square root here, you have 2 square root here. Your teacher have been telling you all so many times already. If you square here, you will have 4. And this one, understand? Not 2, when you square already. So this is number 1 mistake. But I think very few people will make this mistake already. Okay, now. Can? All right. This question also, Lucas. So far, every question will come out. The chance of coming out is 100% there. If you don't come out on paper 1, you come out on paper 2. Part of the paper 2. Not all the good question. Okay, number 8. Look at number 8. Number 8. Okay, number 8. 8 is considered easy. Especially the sketch is very important. The sketch. I want you to do it on the paper itself. So this person he forgot to put the arrow there. The typist. Can you put the arrow? Put the arrow first. And then this one you put another arrow right there. 9A. 9A, don't put that. Okay, look at the question and put something. PQ is 9A. I would like to put here like that, 9A. So that I won't get confused. Now PS is 2B. Yes, 2B, correct. PA is 1/3. 1/3, 2/3. So A is here. So here is 3A. 3A. And then 3A. Correct. And I put a 3A here. Okay? I already done, Now, SR is 2/3 of PQ. PQ is 9 vector A. So I put 6 vector A. I put first. You better put first. Then after the kacang putih, put it here. Look at my answer there. So what is the first question? P to R. P to B, sorry. P to B. P to R, P to R, sorry, P to R. You only see this, P to R is actually P to S plus S to R. It means 2B plus 6A. But I don't like to do the answer. I say 6A plus 2B. I rewrite one more time. Now, always make a good habit of, these are called discipline. Vector A first, then vector ABC, not BCA. Okay, not? Can? So that's number one. Number two, what is PB? Now look at PB. Now, what you say, the condition? PB? No condition, there's PB. Got a condition, no, B is a dot. Got. AB is PH. Okay, AB is HPS. So AB here is parallel to this. H means maybe half of it. Okay, now. So they ask you to find H. So in term first, in term. So you say PB, P to B equal to PA plus AB. PA is 3A plus AB. AB is H, 2B. So right nicely, 3A plus 2H vector B. Okay, that's PB. All right. 1 mark, 2 marks already. Correct. Hey, wow, PR to give 2 marks. They're happy lah, this question. And hence use the value of this to find H. There's no K or fan. Can you please cancel off and of K? Mana keluar itu K? Mana ada K? That's why I say sometimes they all do it very fast. They copy the whole question, they forgot already. There's a third part or there's some part that K there, they cancel off, they forgot already. Can you please cancel off and of K? Mana ada K? There's no K there. That's why I say, when I see this, I start laughing. I don't want to do this year. I retire already. Okay. Collinear, underline collinear. What do you mean by collinear? Now this is PB. This is PR. So I say PR is, let's say it's 2 times of PB. So I say that PR equals to M times of PB. You got it? Okay, let PR equal M PB. So PR already very beginning, you got it here. That's why I say I'm very disciplined here. 6 vector A plus 2 vector B. Equals to M. M is what you find. It's not the answer. What is PB? PB is 3 vector A plus 2H vector B. Kacang putih lah, you open up 3M vector A plus 2MH vector B is 6 vector A plus 2 vector B. So what is the 6? It's equal to 3M. So 3M equals to coefficient, M equal to 2. Understand? This one must be same with this one. And this one will be same with 2. So 2M, M you found already. 2MH equals to 2. So H equals to half. All right. That's all. No K. Can solve the K. All right. This one you can score. Vector is very simple because straightforward question. Thanks. Next, number 9. Number 9, consider easy, but I did some not shortcut. I go direct method. If you all want to learn, you can learn. Look at number 9. Look at number 9. This is called U over V. This is the basic U over V. So that's why you notice I write straight or not. 3x equals to 2x minus 4 equals to U over V. I put there U over V. Therefore, what is your U? U is 3x. Each one you all may not understand this is a Form 5 topic. Those in Form 4, never mind you learn. So V is bottom 2x minus 4. So you find du dx first. Got 3. And dv dx, you got 2. And what is your dy dx? Dy dx is f prime. dy dx f prime. F prime. F prime is dy dx. Dy dx is the formula is keep v squared. V squared, keep v, differentiate u. Dy dx minus keep u, differentiate v. So it is, what is the v? 2x minus 4. There, v 2x minus 4. Square. Square, make a square. And then keep this one times this one. Always remember that if you write this one, it's going to the right hand side first. This one. V du dx. V du dx. You just time this one. Just follow what I teach you very fast. Then minus. This one times this one. 2 times minus 2 times 3x. So this 6x minus 12 minus 6x. So it's negative 12 over 2x minus 4, 2. This is the first answer. They give marks already. Well, we give you 5 marks on this. 2 marks. Okay? And then you differentiate one more time. Double stroke. Differentiate one more time. Okay, differentiate one more time. Can this one is not UOV already, you know. Not UOV. This one, I taught my student the fastest way. But I think y'all better not. Y'all better not. What is this? Y'all do this. Y'all better do this. Do this. Minus 12. This one, bring it up. Comes. I know your teacher teach you this way. But the books all teaching this way. 100% man. So you differentiate. This one. Differentiate, use your times off. Negative, the negative. So change the sign. Change the sign means 24. Okay. Then you copy the same thing. Then you minus 1. Okay. And then you differentiate the inside is 2. So 2 times 24 is 48. You must differentiate the inside. Then divide 2x minus 4 power 3. That's the way. I taught them some shortcut. I taught them some shortcut. You all do 1, 2, 3 steps. I do straight away one step. One step. You see how I do? Then the direct method, same lah. So you see, the 2 here, if you bring it up, it will be minus 2, isn't it? So your minus 1 become minus 3, isn't it? But I don't bring up that, so the negative not there. So I say, I say the bottom times the top. The power there, the 2 times 12, isn't it? So 24. Bottoms times the top, 24. Change the sign. Why change the sign? Because negative and negative. So change the sign. No nothing to write. And the bottom, the bottom, instead of going up, what I do? I say bottom plus 1 times the top, change the sign, plus 1, and then you differentiate this inside here, you put here. Okay? Now notice or not? 1, 2, 3, I do it within 1. Just like coffee, 3 in 1. I say bottom, the power times the top, times the top, there, times the top. Okay, change the sign because negative and negative. Change the sign, no more negative, become positive. First step, plus 1. Instead of minus 1 here, I don't go up, so bottom is plus 1. And differentiate the inside, then times 2. Differentiate the inside, then times 2. Okay, and then if they put 3 here, the question put 3. They always like 3. So you substitute 48 over 2 times 3, 6. 6 minus 2, 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. Okay. Okay, right? Question number 10 is a bit too easy. I don't know. This person give 4 marks, a bit too easy. I don't think so. I give 4 marks. I give 3 marks maximum. Yes. So far, okay? You understand? 16 here. Not bad. Still got 16, huh? I thought nobody want to come already, huh? Apple not here. Adama. Apple also missing already. Okay. Yeah, lah. You all think nobody at the time listening to me don't come lah. Yeah. Actually, honestly speaking, by listening to people is part of revision. You don't have to do also. You see your mistakes. Okay, go on the next question. Now, this question is too easy. By looking at the question, look the question. 2 to 4, just like you stay in Batu 2, you go to Batu 4. The question calculate. Then Batu 4, go to Batu 9. You continue your journey. From Batu 9, go to Batu 12. So finally, what is from Batu 2 to Batu 9, isn't it? At the 12, isn't it? So you look at my working, the 3 parts add together equals to 2 to the power of 12, which is equals to 20, isn't it? They give 20. And then 3 to 8 is 12. 8 to 3, inverse, kebalik. So it's negative 12. So it minus become plus. This is an offer. This is not 4 marks. This is 3 marks. I don't know why simply give. Sometimes they all, they got good question, but they don't know how to marking. Not only they all, SPM also like that. So when I do question, I always think one, Yeah, this one, that can be 4 marks. This is 3 marks. One change is 1 mark. Sometimes maybe they give 2 marks also. The one you add 2 to 4 plus 4 to 9 plus 9 to 12, you go to 2 to 12. That's 1 mark. Then minus away 8 to 3, 3 to 8 is negative 12. It's another mark. You change. Then add them together 1 mark. 3 marks. You got 3 operation. Yeah, what? 3 process. 3 ways of getting the answer. So 3 marks. That mind, they want to give you extra, no complaint. Or they just sound 5 marks also. Okay, we go on to the next one. Number 11. This one 5 marks. This one 5 marks. This one again, integration is the other way around. I also did some shortcut. So can you underline the word gradient formula, gradient function? The gradient function is dy dx. Remember, gradient function is dy dx. Yes, dy dx. So therefore, they ask you to find the equation of the curve, means pengamiran. Ask you to integrate. Passes through the point 14 means they want you to substitute x is 1, y is 4 to get your c. When you come in sesuatu, you get a c. So pengamiran, can you see pengamiran? 36 over. Again, I'm doing some shortcut. No, I'm doing 3 in 1, 4 in 1 as well. So y is equals to integrate. What's that? dx. So I teach you my shortcut. Bottom times the top, correct not? So bottom times the top. Sorry, minus 1. Okay, the bottom is minus 1. Because you go up to plus 1, minus 1. Put second step, put in front. Okay. Third step, change the sign. Fourth step, integrate the bracket, but because it's integration, you put below. You don't go up. Differentiation, the 2 go up. Then plus c. We cancel. We got negative 9 over 2x plus 1 square plus c. Okay? Okay. Now, if you want to do your teacher's way, it is like that. So, not the teacher's way, everybody's way. 36, you change this first into 2x plus 1 power negative 3. Correct? Okay, when you integrate, This is dy dx. Integrate means you plus 1, right now. Plus 1 become minus 2, isn't it? And then this is 36, sorry. Then you put below. Got it? That's why I change the sign here to here. See the sign? Because the negative go up. Okay, plus 1. Okay, and then you differentiate the bracket and you put below. Correct? And then you bring it down, This one cancel. So negative 9 lah, the negative bring up. Bring it down. Same, huh? Okay, right? But the only thing is you have to be careful. There's a C there, and then the sign. The positive and negative will kill you. Now, based on the pengamiran, it's not difficult. It's only where you must be careful. The format is the same. It's the same, but I do 3 in 1, 4 in 1. I do some shortcut. So you can do this in your school teacher's way. Every book also do this one as a same mark. Okay, and then they give 1, 4 for what? 1, 4 means your y is 4. Your y is 4. Your x is 1. So minus 9 over 1. 1 times 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 over 3. 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 9. Minus 1 come over here. C is 5. Therefore, y equals to minus 9 over 2x plus 1 square plus 5. Okay? Can I? Can? All right, done. Done. Yeah, easy. But don't make careless mistake. Thunder negative. Must have the negative here. Some clever player don't put negative. Number 12. Number 12, probability. Yes, calculate on the number of ways. Sorry, number of ways. Okay, permutation and combination. So when to find the combination, when to use the permutation, depending on the word. So the select, the word select, the word choose, then it is combination C. If you say arrange, they say put in order, choose from a straight line. Arrange, the word keyword is arrange. A straight line, that one you use permutation. Okay, with order. Choose a class monitor first, then assistant monitor. That one got order. So a monitor first, monitor, assistant, or assistant monitor. That means this order. But if they don't say that, choose 2 persons, 1 boy, 1 girl. It can be boy, girl, girl, boy. But say the first one boy, second one girl, or second one, first one girl, second one boy. Then the order. Be careful, Okay, this one very simple. All right, this one straightforward. Are you okay? This one? Now this one is like that. You see the way I write, very straightforward. They say you want to select 4, so you just write select 4. Now I use a different way of writing. Select 4 or choose 4. From where? From 3 boys and 7 girls. Okay. Okay. Condition number 1: the number of boys and girls must be equal. Equal means 2 boys, 2 girls. 2 boys, 2 girls. Okay, you put like that. And then 2 boys. From 3 boys, you choose 2 boys. From 7 girls, you choose 2 girls. You times them together and press your calculator. That's the answer. Okay. A. Like that, 2 marks. Wow, happy lah. 2 marks. Kacang putih lah. Okay, the next one. 3 marks or 4 marks, man. At least 1 boy. At least 1 boy. Sekurang-kurang seorang lelaki. So 1 boy at least. If one is select 4, 1 boy must combine with 3 girls, or 2 boys combine with 2 girls, at least 2 girls, or 3 boys conduct with 1 girl, or 4 boys conduct with no girl. But where you got 4 boys? You only got 3 boys only. So this one is out. Okay, out. Okay, so you find there. 3, you choose 1. 7, you choose 3. This one, 3, this one is here, same. You don't want to write also can. You write straight away here. Then this one, 3, choose 3. 7, choose 1. 7 times 3, 21. 7, 1 times 7, sorry, 1 times 7 is 7. This is 105. Then this is working, 175. 6 marks. Or the mark a bit too high. To me, I think it's a bit too high marks. It should be 5 marks already. Wrong way. Too many marks for what? Okay, done the first part already. Now, 2 questions, you choose 3 questions, you choose 2. Now you have to be very careful. If you choose the one, it's easy one. Don't choose the harder one. Okay, 3 more questions. 13. Actually, this 13 is simultaneous equation, 3 unknown. It's not difficult, If you ask me, it's not difficult. 8 marks. Quite easy to score 8 marks. Okay, come, we do. Come, you look at number 13, read the question first, read. I think some of you haven't read the question yet. Yeah, the answer at the back was wrong, Our friend supply wrong. For 2 answers wrong. He supplied answer but no working, This book, I bought because he's also my partner. But now he's his own. Yeah. Oh, that one is paper 2. Paper 1, sorry. Oh, paper 2. Yeah, paper 1 is the one. Number 15 is a mistake. Okay, come. This is a 3 unknown. You notice or not? There are many ways of doing it. But I always choose the simplest way. If I can do within 1 line, I don't want to do with 2 lines. Extra line, extra chance of making mistake. This one calculation, there's 1 mistake. Forgot to add a minus. 45 ringgit. Z is 45 minus 10 is 35. Just sound check. Okay, they say 4x. The first one you form the equation, 3 unknown. Plus 2y. They already give you x, y, z. You read yourself. And then 2z equals to 190. And then d is 3x plus 4y plus 3z is 295. And then 2x plus 4y plus 2z is 250. There are many ways, There are many ways. So normally is you look at the one with a similar one first. Smart people, you're smart. Either you want to make this one first, so that you take this one minus this one. That means you hapus your z first. But then if you hapus your z first, you tinggal one more. Then this one, 3z, I cannot put it into 2z, so I have to make it into times 2, 6z. And then this one's times 3, 6z, double line. Double. This one I don't consider because all different. All different, I don't consider. This one I don't want to consider. But this one I consider. This one I'll take first. Because this one I just times 2x will do. So it becomes all 4, 4, 4. This one I cannot be 2, 2, 2, So I hapus my y first. This is again smart. It's smarter than the first way. First way I can hapus first 2z, but the next one, the 3z, I want to change to 2z, cannot. But why don't I change this one first? So I name it as number 1, number 2, number 3. So I say this one I change to 4 first. So I times 2 So number 1 I times 2. You to write this, So become 8x plus 4y plus 4z times 2, 380. Okay? Can This is number 4. Can? Now now whatever I want to choose, no problem, Rima. Now I don't want this already. I take this. I don't want this already. So I take 2, 3, 4. So which one I do first? Anyone? I say 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. This is 4. 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2. So I put 4 minus 2. So 8x minus 3x is 5x. 4y minus 4y no more. This minus this plus z. And this minus this is 85. That's number 5. Okay. Then after that, again, I put 2 minus 3 or 3 minus 2 to 1. 2 minus 3. Why I put 2 minus 3? Because I see x 3. This one, 3 minus 2, I get 1. So 2 minus 3. So this minus this, I think out x. This minus this, no more y. Hapus. This minus this, think out z. Very easy. This minus this is 45. That's number 6. And now, okay lah. Okay lah. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6. This one minus this one. This minus this, 4x. This minus this, no more z. This minus this, 40. Therefore, x equals to 10. Instead of write 10, because offend didn't write ringgit there, so I write 10 ringgit. Then I can find x already, I can find z now. So x here, number 6. In number 6. Number 6. My x is 10. My z is, this one make mistake lah, right? Is it 45? I put 45, isn't it? Wrong already. Can you all please change? Change this into 35. Ayo, 45 ma. 45 minus 10 is 35 ma. Okay, not 35 ringgit. Ratio. Okay, can you change, please? Can you change? There's a mistake here. And then after you can find that, find x yourself. Okay, this one, if you ask me, this 8 marks is quite easy to score. Oh, wait. Don't miss. This one is quite easy to score. Okay, now we go on to the next one. Next one, not much time left. 14. The hardest one is the last 2. Okay, no, 14. Look at 14. Look at 14. Hurry up. Trapezium. Now the origin, y equal to 3x. Can you see OA, y equal to 3x? Okay. Now this OA is 5 root 10. Now they give it the distance. That means they want you to try to use Pythagoras theorem. Now they don't give it any coordinates. They only give you equation. So from the equation you can find. You can find your coordinates. Now what is this coordinates? If your x is x, your x is x, then x, your y should be what? 3x. Learn this. I know some of you are not familiar with this. You better learn this more. This scale, you have to learn. You have to learn this knowledge. 3x. Can you write this? You have to write this. If not, you cannot start. This question got 0 mark. You have no chance to attempt. This one, this one, this one, this one. This C, C become what? C, y plus 22x equals to 0. Therefore, y equals to minus 2x. So when x is x, then y is negative 2x. Okay, you got it. What is b? B, what is b? B is y equals x equals 0, y equal to y. Because they don't give any shut up now. It's a boxy y now. Okay, now. So you got 3 point already. Now kacang already. Now this distance. How do you find this distance? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So you notice or not? I write first. I write A. You notice I write A first. A. Whenever you want to find something, you write first to make the person understand. And then O is 0, 0. You say what? AO equals to 5 root 10. Right now, AO 5 root 10. How much is x minus 0 square root of x minus 0, y minus, or no need to write x minus 0 lah. A bit silly lah. So x minus 0 squared plus 3x minus 0 bracket squared equals to 5 root 10. Are you okay? Then this is x squared plus 9x squared. I square the left hand side, I square the right hand side, becomes 25. Root and root, no more, 10. It's 250. So 10x squared equal to 250, x squared equals to 25, x equals to 5. I put positive, x positive. It can be negative, you know. But it's on the right hand side, x is 5. This is 15, 5, 15. So your A is 5, 15. Marks, okay. Can? Okay, look at B, B. What is this B? What is 90? They're testing you M1, M2, negative 1. M1, M2, negative 1, confirm tested. Guarantee, guarantee tested. You okay? Okay, so you write M1 times M2. So again, again. A, now you're talking about AB, so A, you already found 15. B is 0, y. This gradient of this and then this one, the gradient is 3, understood, y equals 3x. So you say gradient of AB times gradient of OA, AB, OA. AB, OA also can, equals to negative 1. Why negative 1? Because 90 degrees. So you put gradient is y minus 15 over 0 minus 5 times 3. Right now, equals to negative 1. Can you work it out? Okay, you work it out. You work it out, y equals to 50 over 3. Never mind, if you want to change, also can. Therefore, your B is 0, 50 over 3. You want to put 16 and 203 also can. Leave it to you. You put like that, the examiner will cut. Okay, 3 marks. There are 3 marks. What is BC? Okay, they say salary means what? The gradient is 3 long. Same. I think this question, no, actually, no good. No good. They don't test so many. You test the same thing. There, you see now? Now, so BC, B is this, C is x minus 2x. Okay, look at my working there. Then I say the gradient of BC, equals to gradient of BC AO equals to 3. Right now, this gradient is 3. So you just put y minus away minus 2x. Y, what is y? Sorry. Y is 50 over 3 minus 2x over x minus over 0 minus, sorry. This 0. 0 minus x with 3. Can you work it out? You get a y, you get an x, then you get a y, then the answer. Easy, Okay. Last question, there's a mistake there. We still got about 11 minutes. Never mind. Maybe, okay, come on. Look at 15. There's a mistake there. Can you look at that diagram? Look at that diagram. On the very first place, the question is already mistake. You see, there's a square tile. The tile is divided into 8 sectors. No, it's not divided into 8 sectors. You form a circle there. You cannot divide into 8 sectors. There's no sector. Now you talk about sector, it must be a bulat. So if you say divide in 8 sectors, you look at the diagram, the dotted line, that means it's not a sector. There got 8 sectors, 4 sectors only. The other 4 is triangles, not sectors. This is wrong already. You should say divided into 8 sectors and 4 isosceles triangles. No, this question is definitely wrong. Wrong already. Where got 8 sectors? You see the dotted line, it's supposed to have that, then you say 8 sectors. Only 4 sectors only. Where got 8 sectors? That's why he make a mistake here. And radius 8. Find the length of this side. You notice I draw by the side there. I draw by the side there. So you cannot draw like that, You see, I think I better use this one. Agak-agak. See, yeah, it's supposed to be like that. You see, the first thing is this one missing, isn't it? Can you see you're not missing? And this length, and this length cannot be the same. Not the same. It's not the same. Our friend assumed this one, same with this. So you go in times 3, You make a mistake. You make a mistake. You don't times 3. So you notice I put there 45 degrees. Can you see that? This is 45. I put it here. This is 45. This 8, this 8. I name this as A. Die lah. Am I lah? Aiyo. Everything lah. One more time. I draw myself lah. Okay lah. It's easier lah. Okay. Now you see this one. Now the thing is this one and this one. How come I draw it to the side? Look at my diagram. I don't want to draw. So I say this drawing is very lousy. Whiteboard drawing. Okay, look at my diagram. You see, this one and this one of the sectors 45 degree, another 45 degree. Okay, this is 45 degrees, this is 45 degree, and this is 8, this is 8. There you see, this one here. So this length and this length must be the same, right? But the thing is, this one, up to here, it cannot be the same. This one cannot be the same. Because this is 8. So according to my working there, I use cosine law to find BD. There you see this is BD. Cosine law to find BD. BD is 6.123. Okay, cosine law, you know, therefore this is 6.123. You want to find this side, the side here to here. But then this one is not the same. I'll find the answer, put this one the same. Now you look, 6.1. Let's say you do this is x and x. Can you see this triangle? Now this is x, cannot be 6.123. Why not? So you say x squared plus x squared equals to 6.123 squared. So 2x squared, actually the 2.123 is 37.491. Therefore, x is equals to 4.33. Now this is 4.33. 4.33. So this is also 4.33. Okay, now. So the side is 4.33 plus 6.123 plus 4.33. Our friend go and put same 6.123, 6.123. No, not the same. Definitely this one cannot be the same with hypotenuse. He assumed that this one same. No. So you look at our answer there, not? This is not that easy. Okay, not? So if this is wrong, your B also wrong. But mine is correct. 3 marks. So the shaded area, can you see the shaded area? The shaded area, it is the whole thing. Can you see the whole thing or not? Minus away whatever the one not shaded. Not shaded got 4 sectors. Can you see 4 sectors or not? 4 sectors of the bulletin becomes 4/8 is half the bulletin. So you remember? So this one will be equals to 14. My answer is 14.783. Okay, this is 14.783. This 14.783. So the area of the whole thing here is 14.783 square. Minus away the 4 sectors. 4 out of 8 of the bulletin. Bulletin is pi r square. So the answer is 117.993. But if you're this one wrong, this one also wrong, so this one also wrong. So that's why be very careful. Don't assume. Now in mathematics, the worst thing is you assume. Once you assume, there's a good chance of making mistake. Never assume. I never assume. I tell you honestly, even the answer is correct, I like try to confirm it. I don't want to assume. The last one, you won't make mistake. Now, perimeter of the unshaded area. Perimeter. So how you find the perimeter? Unshaded. Unshaded, number 1, is the triangle, the whole of the unshaded. Okay. Unshaded. Unshaded is number 1 is this one. This one, this one, and this one. Right now. So it is perimeter of the unshaded. Sorry, unshaded is this one. Can you see or not? This one first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct now. So 4. The whole bulletin is 8, isn't it? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So therefore, it is half of 2 pi r. Correct now. Okay, that's it. And then after that, you plus what? You plus 1. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. Okay, now. So how many? 1, 8 plus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So plus here lah. 8 times 8. This one correct lah. Are you okay now? This one is not difficult. It's only whether your calculator only. Make use of your calculator. Our friend make a mistake by assuming. So my diagram I already showed you to you already lah. Are you okay now? So you're very clear. The 3 questions you choose 2 you got to be very careful Don't simply say I like the topic I do You choose whichever easiest to score. Easiest to score. You remember or not? Don't choose the one you like. You like cannot score. What for you choose? Choose the one you see you can score. You know that you're sure score one, you do first. And never do one by one. 1, 2, 3. I know. You see number 3 is easier. You do number 3 first. Then you do number 2. Then you do number 4. Yeah, number 1, I'm not too sure. Don't do first. Smart people do. You always do the best part first. You can score first. No need to do according to order. And if possible, when you do, like just now I told you, there's another way to confirm the marks. Confirm it first. Confirm first. Don't wait until coming back. No time. So far, paper 1 okay or not? Paper 1, this paper is not difficult. It's not difficult, except the last question, a bit calculation. But if you like this topic, it's not difficult. I like and I love and I score. You must always say, I love the topic. If somebody says he loves you very much, of course you won't like. You will say, even though you don't love him, but you definitely won't hate him. You like the question will like you back. You love the question love you back. But sometimes they are very cruel also lah. They trick you, Some questions are quite naughty one, they trick you. So when they trick you all the time, you be careful. So that's why you must have experience in tackling different type of questions. The more, the better. If you got no time to tackle, you read the working. Like for example, why I give you this, you got no time to do, you read the question, you read the working. You do first, then you check the working. You do first, then check the working. There's just some certain part of working I want you to do yourself. So today, at least give you, just try it, or if possible, do all the paper 1 first. Then after that, do all the paper 2. That's what I'm supposed to do in my class now. I have to take about 1 month to do all the paper 1, and 1 month to do all the paper 2s. Then another 2 days, then do something. We have 2 months more. This month not counted, I still got January and February, 2 months. So the 2 months, my Form 5 will be well prepared. We already second round of revision. Now doing the test paper now, or then doing another set of paper topical also. Okay, but we have one seminar online run by Pusat Tuition Universal. By next week, we'll notify you what time, what date, and what are we going to talk. So we see lah. We let you all know. But I don't know whether you come or not. It's up to you, but we let you know those who are interested, you can join. So not only Max, MX, you've got chemistry, physics, bio. Now these 4 subjects are very strong here. Look at the comment of Universal. Pusat Tuition Universal, you read up about profile and read about Mr. Lee Chin Choi one. You see how many books are written there. Read. Go and check on Google. You can check on me and our Universal and Facebook also. Can. So any question to ask? Yes, no problem. You can ask me a question now. Anything you want to know? Yes. Anything you want to know? You can. We got me 2 more lessons only. Today you can ask me a question. Anything you're not very sure the topic. In fact, our center now, we are going to do integration. Differentiation almost finishing already. Integration. The tricky part is the permutation part. You have to be careful sometimes. The number of ways. No question. Wow, region, no problem. Sri Sentosa. Very easy. I make it very simple for you to study. That's how you make it simple to answer. No question. Region, you're very smart. Arisha, any question to ask? Richie, no problem. Puichi very smart on the bottom. I got one student got 76 marks. He always sick, but he got 76 marks. So he texted me yesterday, sir, I got 76 or 80, paper 1. Paper 2 don't know yet. We're very happy. Yes, today only 12 of you. Don't worry. Yes. Heng, any question? Heng. Heng. Heng cabut dulu ya. No questions? Yes. Don't feel shy. Any topic you're not very sure. Rishal from Samantu. Look familiar name. I also don't know. I got so many students, but I don't teach in Samantu. Zhengzi. Zhengzi will be teaching. Zhengzi will be giving talk on physics. Okay, no questions? We have to call it up. So do the paper 2. We send you the paper 2, then we give you the answer next week. Okay, no question, we have to stop here because you also want to go. I know you want to go. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye, Puichi. Bye. Tuixian. Wijun.
So thank you, Mr. Lee, for today.
Bye-bye.
Today is the last second class, and then next week is the last class.
Cabut already.
All trouble already. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, last class. Paper 2 harder.
Yeah, next week is the last class, so we discuss paper 2.
Okay. 10.
Okay.
Right.
So thank you, Mr. Lee. I will end here.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.